Welcome to our exploration of the wonders of Texas. In this video, we're diving into the vast and vibrant landscapes that make the Lone Star State a treasure trove of natural beauty and cultural richness. Texas is not just the second largest state in the U.S., it's a land of contrasts, where sprawling deserts meet lush forests, and bustling cities coexist with serene small towns. We'll take you on a journey through some of the most amazing places Texas has to offer. From the stunning vistas of Big Bend National Park, where the rugged mountains and the Rio Grande create a breathtaking backdrop, to the enchanting beauty of the Hill Country, known for its rolling hills and vibrant wildflowers, there's so much to see. We'll also explore the historic Alamo in San Antonio, a symbol of Texas pride and resilience, and the vibrant arts scene in Austin, the state's capital, which is famous for its live music and cultural festivals. But it's not just about the sights, it's about the stories behind them. Each location we visit has its own unique history and significance, reflecting the diverse cultures that have shaped Texas over the centuries. Whether it's the influence of Native American tribes, Spanish explorers, or the rich traditions of Mexican heritage, Texas is a melting pot of experiences waiting to be uncovered. As we embark on this adventure, we invite you to appreciate the beauty and diversity of Texas. Exploring these landscapes and landmarks not only enriches our understanding of this great state but also connects us to the heart and soul of its people. So, buckle up and get ready to discover the wonders of Texas like never before. Natural wonders. Texas is home to some of the most breathtaking natural landscapes in the United States, showcasing a diverse array of ecosystems that are as rich as they are varied. One of the crown jewels of Texas is Big Bend National Park, a sprawling wilderness that offers dramatic mountain ranges, deep canyons, and the winding Rio Grande. Here, visitors can hike through the Chizos Mountains, where the elevation provides stunning panoramic views and a chance to encounter unique wildlife, such as the elusive black bear and the colorful Mexican jay. The park's diverse habitats support over 450 species of birds, making it a paradise for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts alike. Another iconic site is Palo Duro Canyon, often referred to as the Grand Canyon of Texas. This magnificent canyon stretches over 120 miles and showcases stunning rock formations and vibrant colors that change with the light throughout the day. The canyon is home to a variety of flora and fauna, including the striking yucca plant and the agile pronghorn antelope. As you explore the trails, you may also spot the endangered Texas horned lizard, a true symbol of the region's unique biodiversity. These natural wonders are not just beautiful, they are vital ecosystems that support a wide range of life. From the arid deserts of West Texas to the lush forests of the East, each region boasts its own distinct plants and animals, adapted to thrive in their specific environments. As we delve into these breathtaking landscapes, we encourage you to take a moment to appreciate the beauty and complexity of Texas's natural world. By exploring and understanding these ecosystems, we can foster a deeper connection to the land and inspire efforts to protect these incredible natural treasures for generations to come. Historical landmarks. Texas is a state steeped in history, and its rich past is beautifully encapsulated in its many historical landmarks. One of the most iconic sites is the Alamo, located in San Antonio. This former mission-turned fortress is a symbol of Texas independence and resilience. In 1836, a small group of Texan defenders held out against a much larger Mexican army, ultimately sacrificing their lives for the cause of freedom. Today, the Alamo stands as a testament to bravery and determination, drawing visitors from around the world who come to learn about the pivotal events that shaped Texas's identity. In addition to the Alamo, the San Antonio missions, which are part of a UNESCO World Heritage Site, offer a glimpse into the early colonial history of Texas. These missions, including Mission San Jose and Mission Concepcion, were established in the 18th century by Spanish settlers to spread Christianity among Native American populations. Each mission showcases stunning architecture and beautifully preserved frescoes, reflecting the cultural fusion that occurred during this period. Visitors can explore the grounds, attend guided tours, and even participate in cultural events that celebrate the heritage of the region. These historical landmarks are not just relics of the past, they are vibrant reminders of the diverse cultures that have influenced Texas over the centuries. From Spanish colonization to the fight for independence, each site tells a unique story that contributes to the broader narrative of the state. We invite you to connect with Texas's storied past through these remarkable sites. By visiting the Alamo and the San Antonio missions, you can immerse yourself in the history that has shaped the Lone Star State. Understanding this rich heritage fosters a deeper appreciation for the diverse cultures and traditions that continue to thrive in Texas today. Cultural experiences. Texas is a melting pot of cultures, and its vibrant traditions and celebrations reflect the rich tapestry of influences that have shaped its identity. From lively festivals to dynamic music and art scenes, there's no shortage of cultural experiences waiting to be explored. One of the highlights of Texas culture is its local festivals, which celebrate everything from music and food to heritage and art. Events like the Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo showcase the state's cowboy culture, featuring rodeo competitions, live music, and mouthwatering barbecue. Meanwhile, the San Antonio Fiesta honors the city's rich history with parades, colorful decorations, and a variety of cultural performances. Music is another cornerstone of Texas culture, with genres like country, blues, and Tejano deeply rooted in the state's history. Austin, known as the live music capital of the world, hosts numerous music festivals, including South by Southwest, South by Southwest, and Austin City Limits, attracting artists and fans from around the globe. The sounds of Texas resonate through its vibrant music scene, where local venues and bars offer live performances that celebrate both emerging and established talent. Art also plays a significant role in Texas culture, with cities like Dallas and Fort Worth boasting impressive art districts filled with galleries and museums. The contemporary art scene thrives alongside traditional crafts, reflecting the diverse backgrounds of Texas residents. Exploring local cuisine is another essential aspect of experiencing Texas culture. From Tex-Mex to barbecue, the state's culinary offerings are a delicious fusion of flavors influenced by its diverse communities. Community events, such as farmers markets and food festivals, provide opportunities to taste authentic dishes while connecting with local artisans and farmers. We encourage you to immerse yourself in the vibrant culture of Texas. By attending festivals, enjoying local music, and savoring the diverse cuisine, you'll gain a deeper appreciation for the traditions that make Texas truly unique. Adventure activities. Texas is a playground for outdoor enthusiasts, offering a wide range of thrilling activities that cater to adventurers of all ages. Whether you're seeking the adrenaline rush of rock climbing or the tranquility of kayaking, the Lone Star State has something for everyone. One of the best ways to experience Texas's natural beauty is through hiking. With diverse landscapes ranging from the rugged mountains of Big Bend National Park to the scenic trails of Guadalupe Mountains National Park, hikers can explore breathtaking vistas and encounter unique flora and fauna along the way. Trails like the Lost Mine Trail in Big Bend offer stunning views and a chance to connect with nature, making it a perfect outing for families and seasoned hikers alike. For those who prefer water adventures, kayaking is a fantastic option. The clear waters of the Frio River and the picturesque lakes of the Texas Hill Country provide ideal settings for paddling. Families can enjoy a leisurely day on the water, spotting wildlife and soaking up the sun. Additionally, the coastal waters of the Gulf of Mexico offer opportunities for kayaking and paddleboarding, where you can explore serene bays and vibrant marine life. Rock climbing enthusiasts will find plenty of challenges in Texas, particularly at locations like Enchanted Rock and Hueco Tanks. These areas feature stunning granite formations and climbing routes suitable for all skill levels. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced climber, the thrill of scaling these natural wonders is an unforgettable experience. Texas also offers unique adventures such as zip lining through the treetops or horseback riding in scenic parks. These family-friendly activities provide opportunities to bond and create lasting memories while enjoying the great outdoors. We encourage you to engage in Texas's outdoor lifestyle. With so many thrilling activities available, there's no better time to explore the natural wonders of this incredible state. So grab your gear, gather your family and friends, and embark on an adventure that will leave you with stories to tell and experiences to cherish. As we wrap up our journey through the wonders of Texas, it's clear that this incredible state offers a wealth of diverse experiences waiting to be explored. From the breathtaking natural landscapes of Big Bend National Park and Palo Duro Canyon to the rich historical landmarks like the Alamo and the San Antonio Missions, Texas is a treasure trove of beauty and culture. Each site tells a unique story, reflecting the vibrant heritage that has shaped the Lone Star State. We've also delved into the lively cultural experiences that define Texas, from its energetic festivals and dynamic music scene to its mouth-watering cuisine. The outdoor adventures available, including hiking, kayaking, and rock climbing, provide thrilling opportunities for families and adventurers alike to connect with nature and create lasting memories. We encourage you to explore these amazing places for yourself. Whether you're seeking the tranquility of a scenic hike, the excitement of a local festival, or the thrill of an outdoor adventure, Texas has something for everyone. There's no better way to appreciate the beauty and diversity of this state than by experiencing it firsthand. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more travel content, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. By liking and sharing this video, you help us reach more fellow travelers who are eager to explore the wonders of Texas and beyond. Your support means the world to us and allows us to continue bringing you exciting travel experiences and insights. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Texas. We hope you feel inspired to embark on your own adventures and uncover the incredible stories that await you in this remarkable state. Until next time, happy travels.